Zdravo svima, ja sam Đorđe, and in this video I will be doing my video reaction to the Croatian entry for Eurovision 2022 performed by Mia Dimšić, and her song is called Guilty Pleasure. Now obviously I speak and understand Croatian, but I will be doing this video in English because I did all the others in English, all the other reactions in English or in Spanish, so I will be doing this one in English as well. So Mia won Dora 2022 and now she will be representing Croatia in Turin in the first semi-final. So here's my reaction to her song and her performance. I think we all agree that this does sound like a Taylor Swift style, which is nice because Taylor is one of the biggest artists in the world. And Mia has a really nice voice. If I heard this on the radio, I'd probably say that this is a song by Taylor, maybe Amy McDonald. So it sounds international, and she sings it very, very well. This is one of those very, very pleasing songs, like something that you can listen and it doesn't bother you, and she's really she's beautiful, she's singing there with her guitar. So I think she might have the audience behind her, because if there are a lot of performances with a lot of choreography, a lot of stuff going on, and if she's just there with her guitar, maybe people will go for it and say, ah, this is simple yet effective, and then they vote for her. Yeah, I mean, the performance can be improved, definitely, but this is just the national selection performance. There's a lot of work to be done until Turin, and it's going to be a completely different stage. A lot of cameras, a lot of camera angles, a lot of potential with the staging, with the effects and lights. So I wouldn't judge her chances based on this performance because, as I said, a lot can be improved. So this is one of the songs that I think could either just be there and nobody pays attention to them, or could be exactly the opposite, what people say, as I said, like it's maybe because it's so simple, it's gonna be effective and it's gonna make people like this and vote for it. Because we had cases like these in the past in Eurovision when people thought, oh, there's no chance that a song like this would qualify, and then they qualified and they score a good result. So yeah, I would definitely not have this dancing part and break dance and everything. I mean, he's a great dancer, but I don't know if it really works with this song. But as I said, like, I'm not judging his chances because of this performance. This was Mia and her Guilty Pleasure for Croatia. What do I think of the song? I think it's a really nice song. It's really good. However, it wasn't my favorite in the national selection in Croatia. My favorite was Marko Bošnjak with Moli za nas. I think that was a stronger song, and it was already like almost ready for Turin with the performance and everything. So I think I would have chosen that song over a Guilty Pleasure, but still Guilty Pleasure was one of the 3 best songs in the selection. So I perfectly understand why Croatia chose Mila and Guilty Pleasure for Turin. How is it going to do in Eurovision? I said my opinion during the performance, during the reaction. The semi-final one seems to be a very, very tough one. I mean, the semi-final 2 is going to be difficult as well. But I think they really need to get some things, you know, perfect, and like they need to have everything under control. Every detail of the performance has to be done very neatly, and it has to be pleasing aesthetically, audio, visual. All of the parts have to be really good, and they really have to pay attention to the draw as well to see where they are performing, who's performing before or after, so they make this song stand out. Because I think it could stand out because it's simple, but at this moment, as I said, I like the song. I don't know if it's going to qualify. It could not. we have to wait and see for the rest of the songs. But yeah, overall, it's a really nice song and a really nice selection by Croatia. So what do you guys think of Croatia's chances? What do you think of Mia and her song? Let me know in the comments below. And keep in touch with my videos if you're interested, because I will be doing a lot of other Eurovision 2022 reactions. So yeah, thank you. Vidimo se i srećno u Torinu. Ćao!